Hey guys, Jackie Baker here. Thanks for watching my channel. Be sure to subscribe to Jackie Baker Sells NJ, and also be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time a new video comes on the channel. So you're buying your home, you had your home inspection done, and you get back this novel of a home inspection report with a ton of items on it. And then you start to panic. No need to panic. In today's video, we're going to talk about the home inspection report, and I'm going to break it down to help you identify the key items you should be concerned about in your report. So let's jump to it. Okay, so today we're going to talk about your home inspection report. Now keep in mind the purpose of the home inspection is to identify any structural deficiencies or if there's any issues of health or safety concerns of the home. Now, your home inspector may have pointed out that there's a cracked tile in the kitchen or there's a nail pop on that wall. Should you be asking for that to be repaired? I don't think so. That's more of a cosmetic issue. You really should be honing in on those big ticket items regarding the health and safety and the structure of the home. So what qualifies as structural deficiencies? So when you're looking at your report, you want to look for things like the foundation faulty. Is there a crack in the foundation? Are there signs of any termite activity or prior termite activity? Is the roof sagging? Is there a leak in the roof? Also, if there is an addition put on the home, was that addition built up to code? So these are things that we want to look for regarding the structure of the home. Okay, we found all the structural items in the report. Now, let's look for the health and safety concerns. Well, what are health and safety concerns we should be looking for? First of all, let's look at the electrical. Is it an outdated electrical system? That could lead to a fire. Is there water in the basement? Water could lead to mold, and mold is going to present some major health issues. Then we have radon. Are the radon levels higher than the suggested EPA levels? Again, more health issues. Is there a rodent infestation in the house? I mean, come on, who wants to live with rodents unless you're looking for a pet? So these are health and safety concerns that you should be identifying in your report. Okay, now you can breathe. You've gone through your report, you've identified those items of concern, and now you can go back to your attorney and have him help you determine which items that the seller is obligated to repair. And the other items, you can ask for a credit or seller's concession, so then you can take care of those repairs once you own the home. Okay, so we identified those important issues in your inspection report, so I hope you found this information valuable. If you would like to have more information about selling or buying a home, or if there's a topic you'd like me to talk about, drop a comment below. I'm Jackie Baker. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at Jackie Baker Realtor, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.